Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a planning video for 2024. So last year was a really good year for me, but I feel like I really did not achieve any of the goals that I had on my vision board. I love the vision board. As you can see, I kind of have one behind me. I think it's great to kind of see your goals every single day, but I think it's a totally different story to actually have plans and processes in place to reach those goals. I can look at it all day, but if I don't have the steps and know what I need to do in my daily life, it is very hard for me to reach it. So this year I'm going to be doing the 12-week year. If you guys haven't heard about it, it is a book. I will leave a picture here and a link down below. I heard about it from Aaron on Demand, and basically it is where you're splitting up your year into 4 parts. So instead of planning for the entire year, you're planning for 12 weeks and you focus on 3 goals. That's huge for me because I have a list of 20 goals and I never know which ones I need to focus on. I start working on one and then I feel like I should be working on another, and at the end of the day nothing gets complete. So I love this. So we're gonna go through and plan the year together. I actually got a 12-week year template from a YouTuber and content creator here named Corey. I will link her video down below so you guys can follow her, subscribe to her, and also get access to the same template. It has been incredibly helpful. So basically what I did was I kind of wrote down all the goals that I did have for the year just to kind of see where I wanted to focus in on my main 3 goals. I wanted to pick the goals that were the most important, the goals that were kind of the first step. Some of the other goals, like for instance, I want to move into a new house. Well, I need to increase my income before I move into the house that I want. So of course my first couple of goals will kind of be like that. Let's go over the first 12 weeks. So my timeline is from January 1st to March 20th. So we've already started and I've actually done 1 week. So I'll probably go ahead and film a weekly check-in for you guys. You guys can see how my first week went, what notes I have for myself, and what I'm gonna be doing differently. But just to go over the goals that I set for myself. Goal number 1 is to secure $5,000 a month more in contracts with my digital marketing agency, The Mustard Seed. Goal number 2 is to post 5 TikToks a week. I want to stay consistent. I want to keep promises to myself. I've had a dream of showing up and being a content creator, and I'm gonna make that happen. And last, we've already kind of talked about it, it's working out 3 times a week. So I'm really excited to see how I do with that one because I have not worked out 1 time this week, which means we gotta go on a walk today and tomorrow and Sunday. Anyway, so basically what you do is you have tactics or how you're going to achieve each goal, and you assign those tactics to a day in your week. And then at the end of the week, you're gonna check in to see how you did. So for each goal, I came up with a list of about 3 to 4 things that I wanna do. And honestly, I've been doing pretty good this week. I'll say it's probably 1 thing on each one that I haven't done, but it's been great to come into this template and just check it off and see what I need to focus on for that day. So this is kind of one of the hardest parts, trying to figure out the tactics to complete the goal. For me, I'm like, there's so many ways. Like if I want to make more money in my business, I can market myself online, I can pay for ads, I can reach out in person, I can do a social media campaign, I can do, so I didn't really know what to do, but what I realized is that you just gotta try something. You know, you're not gonna have the right answer. Choose what you think is best, choose what you wanna focus on, and after you've done it consistently for a while, you can kind of make decisions as to whether it works or whether you need to pivot. So don't be too particular about knowing specifically what you need to do to get here. It's just about getting the practice and working consistently on something. For my first goal of an extra $5,000 a month in my business of contracts, we need that contract. I don't need one-off work. I need it in contracts. I need to know that it's coming. Okay. I'm gonna follow up with 10 potential clients per week, and I want to send follow-up emails, and I want to add them to my email marketing list. So that's something I'm going to do. I want to be sure I'm marketing my business online with clear call to actions, results, and value. That's on social media. I really want to focus in on my current clients to make sure I'm giving them the absolute best service and that they're getting what they need, and their analytics and everything is amazing. And then I wanted to update my contact processes. So for posting 5 times a week, I know that I need to plan and batch my content ahead of time. I cannot be trying to edit the video the day of. It's just not gonna get done. Yes, ma'am. So, family, it's fine. So I also need to review my analytics and strategize weekly. Because I need to see what's working. I need to see what's working, what's not working, and really pivot like we talked about before. I want to create a content schedule and plan, and eventually I want to have the TikToks going out by themselves. I don't want to have to manually post it. I think that's just going to be a lot easier for staying consistent. And then the last one, working out 3 times a week, is pretty easy. Honestly, I'm going to start with walking. So I just need to schedule in time that I'm going to work out in my calendar so that I have the reminder coming to my phone like, girl, let's go. I think I'm going to try to do it in the morning when the kids go to school, just because. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, my camera died. This video was just very chaotic, but honestly, such a good representation of my life. My kids came home, camera died, but the show must go on. So like I was saying, this is the last goal, and it's honestly not that difficult. I just need to schedule and be intentional about finding time every single day to work out. I think doing it in the morning is a lot easier because then I can't have all these excuses about the busyness of the day. So yeah, that is the first 12 weeks of my 12-week year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be back to share my progress. Happy planning, and leave down below if you guys are going to try this method. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can see all the updates and see what we accomplish at the end of these first 12 weeks. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.